Where did it go? Where'd it go? Oh no. Oh no, Elmo. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? What a fun game, Levi. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? There they are. Oh no. Where did they go? Where are they? Where did they go? Where did they go? Where's Grover? Where's Elmo? Where'd they go? Oh no. Where'd he go? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where did Grover go? Where did Grover go? Oh no. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Levi, are you ready for chicken yet? Do you want some chicken? Are you hungry? Where's it go? Where's Grover? Oh no! Where did Grover go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go, Elmo? Where'd you go, Grover? Where'd you go? Oh. Oh no. Yeah, where'd you go? Where did you go? Oh no. Where'd they go? Where did they go? Where'd they go? Oh no. Oh no. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where did they go? You've been playing this game all through dinner. Couldn't even put you in your high chair because you got too upset because we were stopping you. Probably for about half an hour you've been doing this. Where'd she go?